Hello guys, this is Soumen and welcome to back my channel Technical Teachings by Soumen, and I'm back a new video, a GA4 problem related video. So guys, I make a little comparison and narrow a dimension size mm, to see the basically what event are occurred in this dimension. Okay, in this dimension. So guys, that is so that only one event name is so there. That's product view event. This is the only event name is so there, and the event count is 1014. It's too high, but there only this dimension also three events is counted. But there so only one event. There is three event, sorry, four event counted. There is sort of four event counted, and the graph is say the same thing, that there is also the four event it's counted, but the event name section is showing only one event, that's product view event, but there is also counted four event, and there is counted one event. So why the event not counted the event name section? Basically it's the problem errors on the fields holding applied. So fields holding applied, there is an error message. So when I click this error message, and there is, so that's trees holding applied, it means trees holding applied is it's a limit of event counting. That is said that Google Analytics has applied trees holding to one or more card in the report, and will only display the data in the cards when the data meets the minimum aggregation thresholds. It means when this data is completed a limit, then the data will show on there. Okay. Also the data will show on this explore report also. That is I not show only two event, sorry, one event. Okay, this one event, it's nothing, only one event is showing on explore event, export section, and also it's showing the report section. This is the same, because that is applied a thresholding issue, so that it's not counted on event name section, because this three event is not completed the limit of thresholding. Okay, that is when I click this event, that is so that this event is counted in the high, but this one too little, this one also too little. So these three event is not showing on the event name section, and this event is showing only in event name section, because it's completed the limit, the thresholding limit is completed. So the events, these events only show this. So friends, there is, I know that what is thresholding limit and why the thresholding is applied on this section, and how to resolve this problem. So basically I discuss this in this video, so please watch this video at last and you will solve this problem. Okay, so I have searched in this problem on the web, and there is a solution is generated, and it is thanks to Optigent, because they are uh, generated this information. Okay, so guys, what is data thresholding in GA4? So that is, data threshold is a feature in GA4 that is designed to prevent site visitor privacy. So data threshold is a feature that prevent to visitor that what data is actually occurred on this website in the GA4. Okay, so data thresholding is prevent to visitor to see the actual data in GA4. Okay, so when does GA4 threshold get applied? When GA4 data threshold get applied, whenever the user count is low, that is same. the user counter is too low, that is too low, so this thresholding that applied, because the user counter user or event sorry, the user is count is too low, so there is this issue is applied. Okay, so how to remove this issue or data result issue? Can you remove data result? Okay, no, data result can set by Google. Okay, it's set by Google and it can be removed if you use Google Signals. Okay, so there is not any way to remove this one. Okay, but there is a way. I will see in the video at last. Okay, so there is that data threshold are set by Google and can be removed if use Google Signals. However, you can switch report identify to device on the reporting to prevent data thresholding. Okay, so to prevent data thresholding issue is the one way to change the report identity, and if you use Google Signals, the data threshold issue will must apply. But if you don't use Google Signals, the data threshold issue is not applied. Okay, so now I see that there is the report identity. So go to your admin section. Go to your admin section, and there is the report identify. Well, okay. So the reporting identifier is blended. Okay, mean user ID, Google Signals, device ID. These four data source from blended. Okay, so Google Signals is enabled. Okay, now I see that Google Signal is enabled or not enabled. Okay, so go to data setting and data collection. Okay, friend, there is the Google Signal data collection is enabled. So if you enable this section, then you can see the proper event and data season holding issue is applied. If you use Google Signals data collection is enabled, then you can't see the proper event and data threshold issue will must applied. If you use Google Signals data collection, it must apply. So you must turn off this section. Either you can change the reporting identify. So that's observed. Sorry, this not observed, this device based. If you change this one, not Google Signals, that is observed means that is allow Google Signals. Blended means there is allow Google Signals. But only device based does not allow Google Signals data. So if you want to prevent the data thresholding issue, then you must do this, or you can change their data collection this. If you have a one option, sorry, you have a two option. If you disable this one, either you can change the reporting identity. Okay, so my data my Google Signals is enabled. Okay, so I only change the reporting identify, because blended is applied Google Signals, overbased also applied Google Signals, but this one not applied Google Signals. This only device ID data. This only device ID data. So I can change the report. Sorry, so I must change the report identity. Okay, and then click save and click confirm. Okay, well, now I see that the event is properly show or not. Okay, so make a little comparison for little data. It's enough. And all user is removed. Okay. So friends, you can see the word event that's show on the event counts by event name section. These are also show on event name section. So the issue is resolved, and I just reload this one on the export section. Only the event will be show on the export section also, because I changed the report identity. Okay, you can see that many event is so there. Okay, so the problem is the Google signals, because when you enable Google signals, then the threshold issue apply, but there is not of any issue. When you use Google signals, then that Google threshold issue is applied, and when you disable Google signals or change report identity, then this threshold issue will not apply. Okay, so what is the threshold issue? Is the data limitation. When your data is low, or little, then the data is not show your GA4 report section. If you if you change the report identity or Google signals disable, then Google result not apply in your report section, and all the data will show in the report section, because there is not prevent of any limitation of any result. Okay, thank you guys. Hopefully this video is resolve your problem, and thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel to get the latest update. Thank you.